Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. Very simple and quick and useful tutorial about how to create a affiliate link on the Quotex website. So guys, it's very simple. On the very first tab, which is the dashboard, as you can see we have fast links, and this is actually the place where you can create your links. So it's going to be the second button, which is links. You go here. So you will have a preset links created already. As you can see, we have already 4 links created for us that we can use as said to attract referrals, as you can see. And also guys, if you're not looking to use these, you can tap on new link. You can choose a link type, for example, register link. So when someone registers, you get some kind of revenue. So revenue sharing or turnover sharing, it's up to you. Add a comment, for example, thanks for subscribing, like that. Press on save, and the new link is now generated. As you can see, it's right over here. You just press on copy, and now you're ready to share this link anywhere you want, Facebook, Instagram, whatever platform you're using. Guys, enjoy the tutorial, like and subscribe if you liked the video. Hopefully it was helpful. Enjoy, see you next time.